咁我哋個計劃就係咁嘅，我哋想收集舊嘅電話電腦，捐俾冇嘢食嘅小朋友，幫佢哋接駁上網，教佢哋工作技能。
We promised we will bring our technology and knowledge. We will help them to get success in your career. We would like you to have hope.
佢哋咧有一個咧 current challenge of the school 啊，即係話而家間學校咧有啲咩嘢需要啊？包括咧即係譬如可能而家佢哋係no library room 啦，同埋classroom corner 啦，同埋 even 咧佢哋咧係得一個廁所 not enough toilets for the student，only one block in functioning 嘅啫。
你哋睇下呢度成間學校嘅書夾埋就係得咁多。地球上有7億飢餓人口，唔到4秒就有1個人餓死。有人提議捐錢俾佢哋啊，但係每年扶貧需要嘅資金足足要700億。有人提議開學校，但係讀完12年書啊，出到嚟都係失業。例如岡比亞就業率得30%。我認為真正嘅解決辦法係俾機會佢哋自力更生，由自己改變自己嘅命運。
我哋其實喺今幾日時間唔算長啦，咁所以我哋本身就諗緊點樣能夠喺幾日嘅時間裏邊，能夠令到一班可能冇接觸過電腦或者智能手機嘅小朋友，能夠由零基礎開始，慢慢學識呢個世界嘅新科技，從而能夠令到佢哋咧能夠 catch up 到最新嘅 technology 發展。
咁呢4日咧，其實我哋 end goal 咧兩個，第一個咧at least 佢哋最尾係可以揾到錢嘅。呢個係因為我哋唔想教人一大扎嘢之後咧，我哋走啦。第二咧就係其實係透過一個 theme， 咁我哋會透過夢想呢個 theme 咧，就令到佢哋 learn 唔同嘅 skills 嘅。
計劃已經準備好啦，我哋喺西非揾咗幾個位置開學校，揾咗一班貧窮嘅學生嚟上我哋嘅堂，食物同埋器材亦都係香港運咗過嚟，然後 plan 好晒內容，教識佢哋網上揾錢。不過講就好理想啦。唔知到時實際嘅情況又會點呢？
I would like to ask, how do you learn? How do you learn by yourself?
How I learn by myself.
Yeah.
Like I listen to explanations and I have confidence in myself that I can do it for myself. If you better understand, I will try to look at things or ask and you can help me.
Very good. When my mind said, try to solve the problem, but I didn't. And then I will walk. I will do it the research by myself first.
So you have to believe in yourself and then you put effort. You have to believe in yourself first before you see the results. There's somebody want to watch the result first. It is not that thing.
This is a guy actually from Nigeria. So he actually come from alone. That means he has negative money. He needed to borrow money from the bank. And now he's one of the richest person in Nigeria. You guys know this person?
咁對於班小朋友嚟講，其實最主要能夠 build up 到佢哋人生除咗 skill set 之外，仲要有正確嘅價值觀啦。呢啲都係啲好重要嘅嘢。咁所以 that's why 一開始即係除咗話我要教佢哋科技之外啦，咁更加想係充分發揮到即係每個團友自己獨有嘅技能啊，自己獨有嘅經驗啊，去能夠幫到啲小朋友。
That's why they said we need to first connect it to the Wi-Fi.
So you can get access to the browser right now. What I'm trying to share you would be like how to get connected to the Wi-Fi itself.
其實呢幾日咧，即係我哋由淺入深啦，咁由最基本嗰啲即係開機熄機，去到話我即係可能開 Google account， 咁去到今日啦，即係 exactly 教我哋 lead gen 啊 AI 嗰啲嘢。
Some of the events, when you put to Apollo, it doesn't show you the person immediately. So you need to go to use the second event, third event, fourth event.
So first step, before you can generate a picture like this, we need to have a, you recall like how AI works, right? It's an input-output process. So we need an input right now, and we need to transform this photo into something else. So please take notes on this prompt.
其實佢哋好積極學習嘅，雖然可能有啲嘢佢哋唔係即係話好明，但係大概其實你俾翻少少 concept 啊，街翻佢哋可能即係點樣做咧，其實佢哋就會知道個 steps 咯。
可能你會問點教佢哋賺錢先？其實而家有好多嘅網站咧，你可以喺上面做唔同嘅任務，例如開 account 做 testing， 就可以得到相應嘅酬勞。
好明顯呢個係 KK 園咁啦，整到。
KK 員應該跟我哋學就真，我哋已經揾埋啲企業老闆咧幫手安排出路。
Alpha 咧邀請我嚟咧就因為佢話俾我聽，佢有一個好有意義嘅活動啦，就去非洲啦。咁我就係本身係一個 trainer 啦，亦都係開間廣告公司啦。咁所以咧我一路咧都係培養緊一啲譬如可能講緊柬埔寨啊、第三世界國家嘅地方嘅人。透過 training 啦，我見到佢哋嘅 potential， 亦都咧睇到佢哋好努力，同埋佢哋係好有智慧嘅。如果佢哋係qualify 到啦，又或者佢哋真係好有心啦，亦都係令到自己係作出改變咧，其實我係會請佢哋。
安比亞人均嘅收入咧就100零蚊，只要有公司老闆肯請佢哋做 virtual assistant， 做圖做片做嘢，一個月出糧1000蚊咧就夠晒佢哋屋企生活㗎啦。所以揾咗當地銀行幫每個學生開戶口。
Anyway, thank you very much for having us today. We're from Basic Bank Gambia Limited, and my name is Suleiman, a retail banker, here today to help your students or the people that you're specifically training about your industries there in China, so we can help them as easy financial transaction, so their salaries can be paid in the account without no going further or coming. So straight away, when they have an account with Basic Bank, they can just come to the bank straight away and receive their salaries from their proprietorships.
咁一路教啦，都一路有唔同嘅問題出現，會忽然之間冇電，啲燈都熄埋，會忽然之間斷網，所有嘢都要停擺喎。
Shelly， 阿 Queenie， 你知唔知個 WiFi password 係咩啊？
知道。
佢係 block 咗定係上唔到網？
真係唔知咩奇難雜症都有。
而家最大問題咧就係依一班10幾人，佢哋咧冇先卡啦，或者佢哋先卡咧可能俾人唔使 data 啦，俾唔使 data。
同埋我哋唔係有啲
係做到嘅先做到㗎啦。咁咧頭先我就話
係啊，上網都係一個好嚴重嘅問題。咁嗰陣時咧已經發覺，咦，原來嗰度即係其實佢哋本地都有自己嘅WiFi 啊成，咁我哋發覺，咦，好似用唔到喎，咁就帶咗我哋嗰套去啦。咁原來發覺都係 OK 連到網，咁但係 from time to time 可能都會斷線啊，或者個 bandwidth 係唔夠。
而家嘗試將 Starlink 拉入間房，呢個係傳説中嘅 Starlink， 講就好勁，但係收唔到嘅。
而家就即係有少少亂，少少亂。總之 Momo 就同阿森就諗緊呢邊啲 SIM 卡，喂去咗邊啊？喂會唔會點解有啲冇 data？ 睇下點處理 gather 先。但係因為而家已經10點幾啦，我同 Kenny 都覺得時間係最重要，我哋想點都去咗買咗先。所以頭先我就同佢講，至少都要10張或者20張，我而家溝通緊。另外嗰啲就係買個咁嘅 data 去處理，邊個冇就分發俾佢哋。可以。而家溝通個數量。咁
20張啦。你1/10啱完之後都冇做。
唔係啊，我完全唔係錢嘅問題啊！而家我已經係俾佢，但係佢出來回都要時間。咁但係其實我哋最驚係浪費時間嘅，所以我哋唔介意咧。即係雖然而家一個學生可能40-50個，我哋買多 double 數量嘅 SIM 卡咯，冇所謂啦，係啊。即係呢個因為我哋睇到嘅時間係寶貴，我哋如果即係可能買完之後用唔着，我哋都可以 keep 喺度啊嘛啲 SIM 卡，所以快啲去我哋同佢講。
不過我哋香港 team 每個人都竭盡所能咁去搞掂晒所有嘢，可能呢啲就係香港人嘅精神，適應力特強。
How about you? Do you have SIM card? You got a SIM card? You don't have Gmail, right?
You have the personal. 得啦，得咗，得咗。
I thought it was just like a few days exchange. You'll come and stand on the whiteboard, give a presentation. This is good for you. This is good for you. Go to this website. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Good luck. That's what I thought it would be. But the way you're handling this, I believe it is. In fact, you are actually invested in the success of the program. You're sitting down with them and telling them, click this, type this in, and you're explaining the things to them. So that's why the children, in fact, are very engaged. Everybody's paying attention in there. right? Because they know that what you're teaching them, it means something to you as well.
Good job. You start earning money.
Everything you guys are doing, it's amazing and it's all important because we are in the era of technology. With the internet, I think kids can learn a lot of things, especially when they started from the ground because they are very young. So when they start this thing from these moments in their life, they will get more used to it and be familiar with it. So I think it's really important. If you guys show commitment to it, it will be a great thing.
最尾真係有小朋友其實成功一完咗幾日咧，已經揾到1毫子美金。咁當然大家聽到呢個數會覺得1毫子咁少。咁但係諗下係一個完全可能之前冇接觸過電腦、冇接觸過呢個世界，去到揾到佢哋叫做第一分1毫啦。咁我哋會覺得呢個係一個幾唔錯嘅一個回收。咁同埋其實最主要翻返嗰樣嘢，唔係話即係要立即揾到幾多錢，而係佢哋有呢個 mindset， 有呢個 skill set， 去能夠令到佢哋有一個長遠嘅skill set development， 同埋有個長遠嘅 career。
係因為其實時間好短啦，得幾日時間。咁但係佢哋中間嗰體驗，了解到呢個世界原來有咁樣嘅教學模式，了解到世界原來可以接觸呢啲咁嘅嘢嘅時候，嗰個 inspiration 啊，嗰個啟發咧，其實先係個核心。跟住後邊其實呢粒種子點樣延續落去咧，就我見得到係繼續可以發光發亮嘅。
而家全球資源過剩，食物足夠所有人食，電腦足夠俾每一個人用。理論上，每個地方都可以上網，都可以用電，每個人應該要有平等嘅機會。但係實際上，仲有好多人喺飢餓嘅邊緣掙扎。我哋嘅力量雖然好細，但係今次我哋真係證實咗呢個方法。希望有一日就算我哋唔喺度，都可以有人將呢件事去延續落去，最終結束飢餓。我哋喺西非就暫時告一段落，我哋仲有好多地方想去，有好多嘢想做。我覺得最重要就係有夢想，永遠唔好放棄希望。我哋總會改變世界，世界亦總會改變。
哇！真係終於嚟到呢一日咯。其實咧就真係幾感動嘅。我都有講咧話嚟呢度之前咧，其實對我嚟講有好多係一啲數字嚟嘅。初頭揾錢咧，就其實都想係實現夢想嘅，但係其實過程裡面會好多想名成利就啦，想其他人認同自己啦嘅嗰種諗法。咁而家我會覺得實現夢想同埋改變世界對我嚟講係更加緊要。其實如果你講錢咧，其實我係放低咗好多嘅，即係其實呢段時間我係即係基本上呢2年啦，我其實為咗去追求夢想，即係我寫書啦，我創作歌啦，搞夢想節啦，去到而家嚟到呢度啦。其實我係擺低咗好多我工作上可以揾更加多錢嘅機會，更加多嘅時間，係啊。即係基本上我唔單止係好長一段時間冇賺錢，仲係咁喺度燒錢貼錢咧，就係為咗想去實現夢想同改變世界。我覺得以為可以，同埋即係講到尾，我都係個普通人嚟嘅。即係我覺得，如果我要成日好無私咁去做好多嘅嘢咧，我會覺得自己攰啊，自己辛苦。我點解要咁辛苦自己咧？即係如果做呢件事係我開心嘅，我做啲自己想做嘅嘢，我追求啲自己覺得好得意嘅事咁樣，我覺得即係所以點解叫 Hero for Fun 就係我只係一個普通人想做啲自己想做嘅嘢。